What's up, everyone? This is CryptoSoph here, and today is February 23rd. It's a Sunday morning, and I just wanted to share this with you guys what I'm looking at on Ethereum over USD on Bybit. And so I'm mainly going to be focusing on this part right here. And I see this as a possible fourth wave. One, two, three, and this whole area is a fourth wave before we get another swing high, swing up to possibly around 330 to 350-ish, maybe higher. But yeah, so I'm focusing on this part. I'm assuming it's a fourth wave symmetrical triangle, which is a continuation pattern. And so far, what I see is that we're working on another leg up here, a smaller move up, and then we should be getting a ABC move down, and then we can continue up higher. So overall, these triangles usually have 5 touch points. They've called the A, B, C, D, E when you're using LA waves. So that's A right there. This would be B, C, D would be up here once it touches this trend line. And then I think we can come down one more time and touch this trend line, the lower side. And this may actually be right here too. And we can kind of ignore these wicks and it may just come right here. And this may just bounce to like right here and then go up. But regardless, that's what I'm seeing. So yeah, let's just leave it like that for now, and we'll just analyze it as it goes. So I'm looking to take a long either on the breakout or if we get a touch to around E with a stop loss at the lower, previous bounce on to the lower side, and then from there, I'm going to pull a Fibonacci extension tool and measure the 0.618 to get a good idea of where the minimum target can be. And so with this, I actually don't know if we should be pulling the extension tool. The last pivot should be off the A, so off the lowest bounce or off the last bounce. So if the last bounce, it looks like we would be hitting, let's just mark that 345. And if it was the first bounce, I don't know if there's a rule to this or if there's a common concept to this, but let's just target both. We'll target both so we'll have 2 targets basically for this next swing play. So something like that, and then another one. Same concept, but something like that right there. So we have 2 trades. Why is this one not showing? That's weird. Okay, so a 21% trade and a 30% trade possibly. Now going into smaller time frames, each one of these waves should be viewed as an ABC. So give me a second here. All right. So you should be able to count an ABC or 3-wave-ish move on each one of these larger waves for the ABCDE. So we see a ABC possibly, another A, B, C that was pretty clear right there. So that creates the larger B wave. Then we have an ABC right here. A, B, C. Let's move that out the way. All right. So then right here, A, B, and if we can touch the top side, that'd be ideal, somewhere around there, A, B, C. And then just like this white line shows an A, B, C. So from here, an A, B, C, and that would create the D right here and the E right there. So once that's complete, that's when we're likely to move up. But another thing is we could just start moving up right now. This isn't necessarily a triangle yet until it's fully formed, so it's just speculation until that point. So now going into a smaller time frame, I want to show, because we made the call last night. We actually closed it. I closed my long right here that I grabbed from right here. It was let's see, it was around a 3% long, but I just made another call right now in the Telegram group chat. And so in this, from B to C of this move up to create the larger wave D, we should see 5 waves in the C wave. And so let's see if we can find that. I was viewing it like this: 1, 2, 3, a small 4th wave triangle for 4, and then 5 waves creates the larger wave C. I hate these things. These are the degrees of trend, or whatever you call them. 5 waves up creates the larger wave C, creates the larger wave D, and from here we may break out. And if so, then I'll just hold it. I'll be watching. But otherwise, we should come down. I'll look to close if it's looking like it's going to start coming down. So I'll look to close here, maybe short, but definitely close, scalp short, maybe, and look to long again around here. Now, let's see. This is the play that we have right now. Something like this with the stop loss here. This may come down again a touch right here. If not, let's just put it right here for now. If you long there with a stop loss here, because this is right here, A, B, C, D, you can assume that E will come down and touch again, or forget that wick and say that E is done. Regardless, I think that it doesn't really matter. It's a small stop loss regardless. And so from there, and a swing play to around here, about 3%, we may only hit like 2.6, 2.7. It doesn't matter, but this is something I'm taking on 5x leverage, and just a small, so the loss would be around 3%. The gain would be about 15%, and just manage the risk. I mean, if you don't, of course, go with your whole balance. And this isn't any financial advice. This is just what I'm assuming, and this is what I'm doing right here. So that's the call. Make sure you guys check the description on this video to get access to the Telegram group chat where we talk about all these calls and help each other out. And then I also have my Telegram channel, which is free. Both of those are free, where you guys can see all these calls and any other updates on trades that I take. Other than that, I also have the Bybit link if you guys want to join this exchange that I use to leverage these coins. And that's about it for this Ethereum update. So scalp, long, entering here, looking to close there. Then we're going to long again, hopefully around here, if the conditions look like it. So there'll be updates along the way. But if it looks like a 3-wave swing, we definitely, if this just cuts through quickly, we may sit out for a little bit. But if it's looking sideways and a 3-wave-ish corrective swing, we're definitely going to look to long here and ride it up to the 0.618 as 2 minimum targets. Here and here, we'll close them here, and most likely close both, but it just depends. So we're going to be looking to close on whenever we can find that 5th wave move. So even if that means that this is all 3, 4 is here, and 5 is here, we're closing wherever we see the 5th wave start to show. So that's about it, guys. I hope this video helped. Make sure you comment below, like this video, and subscribe to the channel.